Okay, I have a little program running on the Arduino to drive the BRPE Teletype punch unit. This will allow me to punch human readable characters on the paper tape. There's an easy way to verify that everything is running. I can also draw binary to it, but it's easier to demonstrate human readable stuff. Okay, we'll try to punch our Merry Christmas message here. It's a noisy punch. Let's see what happens now. It's a little hard to see through the tape, but Merry Christmas 2024 punched fine on the tape.